Keep a routine cleaning and maintenance plan to protect ceramic tile and grout so your floors look great and last for decades. Ceramic tile requires regular sweeping or vacuuming to remove grit that will scratch the surface, followed by mopping with a mild detergent or pH-neutral cleaner mixed with warm water. Avoid abrasive pads and ammonia or bleach-based cleaners because they can dull glazes and degrade grout. For daily spills, blot quickly with a soft cloth and rinse with clean water to prevent staining on unglazed or matte finishes. Grout is porous and collects dirt and moisture, so we recommend sealing new grout after installation once it cures, then resealing grout periodically based on traffic and product instructions, typically every 6 months to 2 years for standard household use. Test by splashing water on grout and observing whether it beads to judge when resealing is needed. For high traffic areas, use entry mats and felt pads on furniture to reduce wear and prevent chipping from heavy impact. Lift furniture rather than dragging to avoid tile edge damage. If a tile cracks or chips, remove and replace the damaged piece promptly to prevent moisture from reaching the substrate and causing adhesive failure or mold growth. When replacing, use the original tile or a close match and the same thinset and grout type to maintain performance. For stubborn grout stains, use a soft nylon brush and a paste of baking soda and water, or a manufacturer-recommended grout cleaner. Rinse thoroughly and avoid metal brushes which can damage grout texture. Most homeowners underestimate grout maintenance and let grout darken and deteriorate, so the practical fix is to set a reseal schedule and clean grout monthly with a brush and mild cleaner. Another common issue is using harsh chemicals that leave a residue or strip protective seals, which we avoid by using only pH-neutral products and testing cleaners in an inconspicuous spot first. Finally, neglecting preventive measures like mats and felt pads leads to chips and scratches, so we recommend immediate repair of chips and a routine of protective pads and walk-off mats at entrances. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for repairs and maintenance related to ceramic tile and grout, and also helps contractors connect with homeowners seeking work. We host a discussion community where we and other users share maintenance tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations to make post-installation care easier for everyone.